So this is Spicy Media. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to navigate your Binance application, understanding our Binance interface. So understanding our Binance interface, let me open my Binance app first. Now for those of us who are just registering on Binance, this is how your Binance application will display when it's on light mode. That is after you just downloaded and registered. This is the way you see it. So in order for you to change it, let me look for my toolbox brush. So in order for you to change it, you have to click on this particular icon at the top, this profile icon. When you click on the profile icon, it takes you to this place. Then you click on lights. Click on this Binance light, this particular icon. So you'll mark the icon, and it loads and brings out the professional look. Yes, this is actually for trading. So this is the professional look here. Now in this particular part, we have our profile section, which is here. We have our profile section here. So when you click on that, you see your profile, and under this profile you see your email address, your ID, your Binance ID. You see the light and the professional mode, where you can actually switch between light and professional mode. We have tax center, reward center, your referral ID, pay, gift card, my gift, notification, payment method, security settings, and all that. So if you want to get more information about these things, you just need to click on each of them. When you click on each of them, it takes you to the next page where you can actually see more information about those things. So I clicked on referral ID now. It's loading, so you can get your referral ID from here and all that. Go back. Okay, so the next icon at the top here is our search button, the search icon. The search icon is actually used to search for coin. It's used to search for coin. So I click on it, and you want to search for a particular coin. Look at the top here. So search coin pairs. Search coin pairs. So yeah, if I want to search for, let's say for example, I want to search for cake, CAKE. So you can see all the cake pairs here: USDT, BUSD, BNB, BTC, BRL, and GTP. So it gives us the value of cake against each of these values. So cake against USDT, cake against BUSD, cake against BNB, cake against BTC, against BRL, against GTP as well. So that's cake for you. So you can change it, cancel, then you search for another coin. Let's say I want to search for SRP. So you get the value of SRP here. You get USDT, BUSD, TUSD, everything about SRP. Now, if I want to click on this SRP now, you just click on it. When you click on it, it brings out the candlestick for you. Now, the candlestick just shows you how market is actually going, the ups and down movement of the market, telling you what is happening at a particular time and what is happening at a particular time. What happened some time ago, you can actually go back and check what happened last month on the chart using the candlesticks, because the only way you can get that, or one of the fastest way you can get that, is actually by making use of time frames. Now time frames is what gives us information of how each particular candle is formed. If your time frame is on 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, it actually means that each of those candles you are seeing on your candlestick on your chart represents the particular time frame. So if your time frame is 1 hour, it means that each candle on your chart is formed after 1 hour. So if my current time frame here is 30 minutes, so it means that each of this candle here represents 30 minutes. That is, this candle will be after 30 minutes, another candle will be formed here. This particular one was formed 30 minutes ago. This one was formed 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes ago. Yes. So you just be adding 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So once 30 minutes completes, this particular candle you are seeing here will close, then another candle will form. So that's how it continues. You can actually change from this. So you click on more. You see other time frames here. Other time frames here you can actually make use of. We have 1 minute, we have 3 minutes, we have 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month. So if I select 1 month now, you see the monthly movements here. See, this is the movement of price within the last, for every month. So this is for our current month, the price movement for our current month, the price movement for last month, the price movement for months ago, 3 months back, yes, this 4 months back, 5 months back, 6 months back. So each of this candle was formed after 1 month. So that's what time frame actually does. Now when you click on this icon, the middle icon here, not Telegram, I've clicked Telegram. Okay, so let's continue. When you click on this second icon at the middle here, you can actually, it gives you list of all pairs that SRP is actually paired to. Yes, you can do it for other currencies if it is BTC. Then when you click on that compare market, it will actually show you all the list of pairs that are connected with the particular coin you choose. So we are currently on SRP USDT. If I want to change it to SRP against BNB, this is it. I will just select this. A new chart will be formed. Look at the new chart now. Now this chart is showing us the value of SRP against BTC in 1 month time frame. I can change it from 1 month to let me say 4 hours. Here is 4 hours. This is 4 hours at the top. So 4 hours. So this is 4 hours. This is the price of SRP against BNB in the last, for every 4 hours. For every 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. So each candles here were formed after 4 hours, and each of those candles shows us the opening price, the closing price, and the next opening price and all that, showing us the low, the highs, and the chart pattern we can actually get. So when we get more on technical analysis, you understand that. So that's for the search icon. At this other icon here, the top right corner, we also have the scanning icon where you can just scan your profile. Let me click on it. When you click on it, it gives you an opportunity for you to scan. You can scan whatever icon you want to scan using that particular QR code. So that is a QR scanner. You can use it to scan your account. If you want to duplicate your account here, you can actually scan it. Then the next one here we are having is a notification icon. Notification icon is for transactions that are actually ongoing on your account. So that's for notification. Now you can see all these pictures you are seeing here. All these pictures actually contain link to those particular adverts, just like billboard. This is just like Binance billboard. That's where you get notifications of information that are actually going on Binance. Like the last information we got here is this emboss talking about Binance launch pool emboss. So that one is for that. So when you come down, you see, okay, under this billboard you are seeing here, there is this icon here, all these ones that is going up and coming down. Those ones that are going up, you are seeing see farms taking special, enjoy up to the next one, the portal update on SLM down. So you can get more notification here as well. But now for you to view more of that thing, you click on this icon at the end of that information, this menu icon there. See, it brings out all the announcements you're actually getting on Binance, all the announcements, and those announcements are categorized: new crypto listing, latest Binance news, latest activities, new listing, API, crypto airdrop, and all that. So you get all those information there. Now you can actually use this to deposit here, but Nigeria has actually banned the deposit of Naira directly. Like its bank transfer is actually not supported when you are using ATM. So what we do now is P2P trading. I'll be sharing the video for you, or you can check my link as well, my profile. You will see a video on how you can actually buy and sell using peer-to-peer trading. So that's for peer-to-peer. Now under that particular area, you will see these 3 major cryptocurrencies here. Now these 3 cryptocurrencies is, the first one here is BNB, the second one is BTC, then the third one is Ethereum. Now all these 3 coins shows us the the current price for this particular coins, and it's actually a shortcut, for you to, instead of you to now go to this search icon and start looking for BNB and start looking for BTC and start looking for Ethereum, you can actually just click on BTC BUSD, and to bring up the BTC chart for you, you can actually click on ETH BUSD. It will bring up the ETH chart for you and all that. So from that particular part, you can actually navigate through BNB chart, BTC chart, and Ethereum chart as well. Ethereum chart. So now the next one, Binance N. That one is, if you want to get information, just click on it. You will see it. It talks about staking and all that. So now we have ranking list. Ranking list tells us about the highest changing pairs for the last 24 hours, like the price change of each of these particular coins in the last 24 hours. Now the first option here is hot. Now hot pairs. Hot pairs talks about the most traded pairs. Most traded pair in the sense that pairs that are of I don't know how they actually categorize it, but I think majority of them is based on coins that are trending, like trending coins. Trending coins are actually hot coins, and Binance will always put their BNB at the top. So BNB is the hottest for them. They are also sponsoring ASS, so ASS is also part of their hot coins and all that. All those coins changes over time, changes with time as well. So the next ranking list here we are seeing here is Guinness. Now this Guinness shows us the percentage change for each of these particular cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. Now the highest in this gainer, like the top gainer here is MBOS, followed by FOR, Lina, DOC, ERN, PRP, Avas, KSM, AD, ORN. So different coins here based on how much change, the last change in their percentage change in the last 24 hours. So we also have top losers based on percentage decrease, like the one that decreased most in the last 24 hours. You can see them, the percentage started from 6.4433 2%. So that's how that one goes. Then the next one is our volume rank. Volume ranking talks about the trading volume, like the trading volume against the USDT, like how much money is coming in for each of those cryptocurrency based on rank. Now, so based on rank, we have BTC as number 1, Ethereum, ADA, BUSD, SRP, Doge, BNB, Solana, BTC against BUSD, ETH against BUSD as well. So from this particular ranking, we can say that BTC is the most traded, followed by Ethereum, then ADA, BUSD, SRP, Doge, and all that. So that's for the ranking there. So that's for the ranking. Now let's move to the next particular portion. We are done with the Binance interface here. So now this is for home. That one, all we did now is for home. So when I click on market, which is the next one, now we have two major markets, spot and futures. But there is another option here for zones. Now zones helps you categorize each of these coins based on the particular zone they belong to, based on the community they belong to, based on their ecosystem. So we have DeFi, BSC, proof of stake, proof of stake, ETF, NFTs, Polkadot, storage, proof of work, and all that. So from there you can get zones. Futures as well. Futures is coins that are of futures, so you can actually get a list of coins, all coins that are on futures. Under these futures we have our favorites, we have USD margin, we have coin margin, and as well. So on spots you can actually get your favorite here. How you add coin to your favorite: whenever you search for any coin, let's say for example, let me go back to my home page. Let's say for example I search for what coin should I charge, the one I have not used as favorite. Okay, let's say I search for Luna. This is Luna. If I want to add Luna to my favorites, I'll just click on this favorite icon at the top, this success, BU against BUSD, success. Anyone you want to use, depending on the pair you want to make use of, to add it as. Let me add it. I think Luna is a good coin, so let me add. So you can actually add coins to your favorite. Let me go back to market. This is market. So I can actually add more coins to my favorite coins based on how I trade, based on what I believe will actually be important to me. So I arrange them based on their importance here. So we have BNB. So each of these coins on spot against BNB. So we have the list down. We have the what's it? Is spots. Okay, we have their list down. We have them against BTC as well down. We have them against altcoins, include the major altcoins they are using here is Ethereum, Trons, and SRP. So you can actually get all those particular coins as pairs. What's this? As pairs. So we have fiat as well. Fiat currency is, you can use USDT, you can use BUSD, you can use BRL, you can use AUD, you can use BIDR and all that. So it depends on the pair you are actually trading with. So that's for market. Then the next one we have trade. On this trade, that is where you can actually buy and sell. So you can buy here and sell here using the trade futures. and that trade we have what is called order book. The order book shows us a list of people that are actually buying. Let me increase it to 1. So based on, no, I think that one is too small. Put it back to 0.01. So from there you can get trade, buy and sell. You can get all the particular trading pairs, how much people are buying and how much people are selling from the market. So you can get that from this particular portion, which is the order book. I will talk more on that when we get to spot trading. Then we have futures icon here. We have a wallet as well. On wallet you can actually see, let me see, on wallet you see the overview of all your wallets here. Now, overview of your wallet, we have spot wallet. You get to see all your coins, all coins you're having on your spot wallet. Let me go back to overview. We have futures. You see how much you're having on your futures account. You see that here as well. Now for here I have $16 here on my futures wallet. Now P2P. Now on P2P, that's where you see the coins you have actually bought from peer to peer. You can see them here on P2P. Now on N, Binance N is all about you staking. There you can stake some coins there and earn from it. We have launch pool. Launch pool is the ones you stake as well, like to show you what you have staked and all that. So that's all that about your wallet. Your wallet actually tells you an overview of everything you're having on your wallet. So this is what I'm having on my wallet currently, 9,000 naira. So the value in BTC is 0.0004 in BTC. That's the value of your wallet in BTC and all that. So that's majorly what you need to know about Binance interface. So let's move to the next